the thought process, the inner world, is the first step. And because the ancestor to every action is a thought. As you're using your mind in new ways, you're creating a whole new universe within, and that whole new universe within is just a precursor to the universe of your physical world. You have to think of your thoughts and your inner world and your capacity to be able to attract things into your life. You have to think of these things as like currency. The currency that you have for bringing into your life what you want is the way that you think. And if you use the currency that you have for bringing into your life what you would like to spend it on what you don't like, don't be surprised if what you don't like keeps showing up. And the people who are not good at manifesting, who will tell you, this is just a lot of nonsense. You can't do this. You can't just think something and then have it work out for you. And they keep wondering why it not working out for you keeps showing up for them in their life. And they will constantly tell you about all the reasons why it can't work, and you never stop to say, but this is how you think all the time. Here's a good way of thinking about it. In the material world, the currency that we have for attracting what we want in our life is called money. Whereas in the metaphysical world, the currency that we have for attracting what we want is called thoughts.
Almost everybody makes this huge mistake. They review all of the things that they don't like. They review all of the things that are missing. They think about all of the people who have really upset them during the day. They think about how wrong their spouse is or about how bad their children are. Now, I talked earlier about this habitual mind that we call the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind cannot make a distinction between what is literally happening to you in your life and what you are imagining in your imagination. It can't make a distinction. So now you go off to sleep at night with all of those negative thoughts swirling around, and you go into your subconscious mind. And now you got 8 hours to marinate. 8 hours to marinate on all the things that are wrong. Now your subconscious mind thinks that this is what you want, because that's what you're experiencing and that's what you feel. And your body feels lousy and you have trouble sleeping and you're full of stress. And so now you've got 8 hours in which to marinate on all the things that are wrong. Your subconscious mind, which is the vehicle for materialization and manifestation, that's where it takes place in this habitual mind of yours, is going to work on and offering you experiences that match up to what you feel. Supposing you were able to reverse that, and in the last 5 minutes of your day, you were to say, I feel great, I feel joyful, I experienced what I want, I met the person that I wanted to meet, I was able to get the job that I wanted to get, and you start saying to yourself, this is how I feel. Now you've got 8 hours, and your subconscious mind believes that that's who you are and what you want, and for the next 8 hours, it begins to align you in the mysterious way that none of us can understand, that allows for the manifestation and the materialization to take place.
It's a new way of thinking. Catch yourself in every moment that you have your attention on what you don't want. You're going through a struggle, a tough divorce. I am only going to put my attention on being happy. And every time I have an inclination to put my thoughts somewhere else, I'm going to bring my thoughts to what it is that I want with passion, and I will attract it into my life. And you can do that with healing. You can do that with making the job promotion that you want, creating the kind of relationship that you want, and manifesting anything into your life.
You put your energy and your attention on what you do want, and then you let go. And you allow the universe to provide for you what it is that you're willing to give. And infinite patience is just another word, or another term rather, for knowing. If you have infinite patience, it means that you absolutely know that what you are attempting to manifest and attract into your life is going to show up, because you're infinitely patient. I put no time on this, no restrictions. I just know, because I have faith. I have faith. Now, what's the immediate result? The immediate result that you get from infinite patience is a sense of peace. A sense of peace. There's a wonderful line that is so paradoxical that most people are always asking me about when they read Manifest Your Destiny, which is, infinite patience produces immediate results. That's right directly out of A Course in Miracles. And the way I interpret that is that you have to detach from what it is that you want to attract into your life.